Well, State Assemblyman Mickey Kearns continues to fight the plan to merge the Children's Psychiatric Center with the adult facility in Buffalo. Kearns says this move is dangerous, and he says he has proof to back that up. News 4's Dave Graber has been talking to the Assemblyman today. Dave?
Well, Jackie, the Western New York Children's Psychiatric Center in West Seneca will close, and the children that fill the 46 beds at that facility will be moved to the Psych Center for Adults in Buffalo. But the fight for that plan to be scrapped is by far not over, according to some lawmakers like Kearns, as well as parents of patients who this week were forced to pivot their approach after a major decision in Albany. Governor Andrew Cuomo made his rounds this week, signaling the end to a hard-fought budget battle in Albany. Members of a small coalition for children felt as though they were gearing up for their own battle, one they've been fighting for years, and one that appeared all but lost this week. The state has set aside $11 million to renovate the Buffalo Psych Center to accept nearly 4 dozen children in the coming year. But so far, the plan has more questions than answers, despite the fact that it's moving forward.
They think it's a $20 million project. They don't even think there's going to be enough money to do what they need to do to make this a good project.
And cost is just one of them. The biggest, according to Kearns and current and former parents of patients at the Children's Center in West Seneca, is safety.
Now they're trying to replicate that design in a facility that was designed for adults.
Kearns says that's not good enough. A public records request revealed more than 280 calls for Buffalo police to respond to the adult center on Forest Avenue between April of 2007 and this month. The responses range from the mundane to the serious and include 20 calls for assaults and 15 calls for sex offenses and rape. Kearns, whose brother has a mental illness, says he supports the Buffalo facility, but he supports it, he says, staying as it is.
I support the Buffalo Psychiatric Center. I support the workers. I support the patients. I have mental health issues in my family. However, it is a dangerous facility. We know that based on these phone calls.
Kearns says he is prepared to move forward with his own stopgap measure, and that includes filing a federal lawsuit on the grounds that moving children from West Seneca in with the adults in Buffalo is regressive. And he says that federal policy requires such treatment to be progressive. He said a lawsuit could be filed within the coming months, and it's something that he says he will see through, even if he's elected Erie County Clerk. Reporting live in the newsroom, Dave Graber, News 4 at 5.